How are your New Year's resolutions? Well, I hope they're better than mine, but it's actually seventh day without sugar and I'm doing pretty well. However, I have a better resolution for you, okay? How about making your customer service finally AI powered this year? I know, AI can seem hard, and I don't blame you. Generative AI is something new. You don't have to be an expert, but you can. And this is why I'm here, because we are launching the AI Agents Masterclass to show you everything, to show you everything behind the scenes, everything that you are curious about, everything that you want to know. How does it work? What to expect? How to build a business case? What ROI you will see? How it's gonna work after you implement an AI agent? Everything. That's why we invited some of the brightest CX minds to record lessons for you, as well as our Zowie employees who work with customers, hundreds of brands, really every day to make their AI agents work, to make sure that the AI agents perform and they do the work handling 70, 80, 90% of customer support load. They will reveal all the secrets and you will also ask questions. So make sure to not wait before you sign up because we have a bonus as well. So for first 50 signups, we offer a free one-on-one session with one of our CX coaches. Isn't it great, right? You can chat with them about your AI struggles, your AI challenges, or maybe some different customer service challenges that you have in 2025, whatever you want. So I hope you are ready to make your customer service absolutely amazing in 2025 because we are making this happen, okay? Well, I hope to see you all there, and I wish you amazing, productive, efficient, and AI-powered 2025.